Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 31, practical geometry, section A, easy. Let's start. It is possible to construct a quadrilateral with a sufficient data other than 5 sample cases where less than dash parts but some other relationships between them are given. Now this is seeming to be difficult, but it's not difficult. What the question is, just look at it. So here what it simply means is, to construct a quadrilateral, how many relationships or how many points do you need? See here, suppose if you want to construct this quadrilateral, first you will need the length of this base, then the angle number 1, then angle number 2, base angle 1, base angle 2, 1, 2 and 3. Then you will need the length of this side 4, you will need the length of this side 5. And once you know all these five items, you can definitely join this and this quadrilateral will be constructed. So you need these 5 items to construct a quadrilateral. That is the meaning of this sentence. But where less than 5 means, suppose if something is not given, only 4 are given, then also it can be constructed subject to some other relationship is given. Like suppose if something is given like this line, base line is parallel to this upper line, and then one relationship is not given, then also you can construct, because you know it's parallel. You will draw one parallel line and cut this. Okay, that is the meaning of this fill in the blank. So answer is 5 over here. Next, given below are the steps for construction to construct a quadrilateral ABCD, where AB equals to 5.6, BC equals to 4.1, CD equals to 4.4, AD equals to 3.3 centimeters, and angle A equals to 75 degrees. AB equals to 5.6, BC equals to 4.1, CD equals to 4.4 centimeters, AD equals to 3.3, angle A equals to 75 degrees. Which of the following steps is incorrect? Now we have to find the incorrect steps. So let's start with step 1. Draw AB. What is the basic thing you will do while constructing a quadrilateral? Draw a baseline, that is AB. So let's start with AB 5.6 and then angle BAX 75 degrees. This is AB 5.6. Now BAX. So now BAX, that is given as 75. Let's draw this. Take a compass, protractor, and make. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.